Welcome to the video tutorial for Aimy IndexNow. This plugin notifies search engines on content updates just in time and automatically. The information is sent to indexnow.org, so search engines that support this protocol get the notification. Now let's configure the plugin. First of all, enable it. Then configure the options. A key is required. If you already have one, place it here. Otherwise, generate a key. Notifications on the same URL may not be sent too often. Default time between is 10 minutes. You can set it up here. Choose between Ask and Automatic Submission. The option Off is thought for the use with our extension Aimy Sitemap only. Both extensions work together, but that will not be handled in this video. We set Submission to Ask. At last, you may set exclude patterns if some content should not be indexed, for example, the category 1. On the second tab, you can configure which content should be handled. The free version supports Joomla articles. In the Pro version, you can additionally add media files, categories and tags. Now I save the settings and we can see the plugin in action. Notifications are sent for public content only. We have an article that has access for registered users only. So if I save the article, no notification is sent. I publish an article that is covered by an exclude pattern. A hint is given that this content will not be sent for notification. Now finally, I added an public article. If we now save the article, we get the information. First, on the first time, we see that the key is written. And as we configured to ask before submission, we see the URL and I can click to send the notification if everything is OK. That's all. Install, activate and configure Aimy IndexNow and your content updates will be sent to search engines via indexnow.org immediately.